Alright.
Oh, good. We're into East Islip with the laundry depot.
Yep.
Oh, good. We got Prosec International.
Automatic products. What you doing?
Okay, how much of course? That's $1.
What's $1?
That's a
Doritos corn chips.
That's also $1. Okay, so
$1.70.
Doritos is
much is
$8.5. That's $1 also.
$1 too.
Okay, so A7. That's also $1.
A lot of dollar stuff.
One more.
Cheetos.
Oh, good. That's $1.
Okay.
Alright, pick something different. Let's go with.
What are you checking now?
E3.
It's cookies.
That's $1.75. Okay, Reese's Buttercups. So a D6.
Reese's peanut butter cup. I like those.
75.
$1.75.
Okay, so up here is B1. So find the B1. That's only $1.
All the chips are $1.
Okay, so B3. That's also $1.
Yep.
And over here is B9.
Yes. There you go.
That's $1.
That's $1. Alright, you good? You gonna get something from here or what? How much is Starburst?
Starburst is 75. It's D7. 75. And now that one is
Skittles?
Yep, it's D10. It's D10. That's $1.75.
Alright.
One more up here is C1.
Swedish fish?
$1.75.
Alright, now what? You getting a soda? How much is a soda?
Let's see how much it is. Okay, so water is $2.50. Alright, so let's see how much it is.
Got any change?
Alright, now we got one more flat. Let's fix that one, fix up nice and flat. Make sure it's not going flat good. That makes it all flat.
Took that one. No, I don't like that one. Flip around maybe. Yeah, I like that. Oh, you have any more change? Otherwise, you're not going to have enough. Live on the edge. Right, now what?
Let's fix up nice and flats. Fix that one. Okay, let's see if we can change with that one. Let's give it a shot.
Got enough?
This is $6.
Let me hold it up.
Oh, good.
You get another soda?
This one's this one.
No, you don't want that, right? What do you want?
That's face down.
Want to be like the picture? Yeah.
Yeah. Let's fix our flat goods. Fix our nice. Let's transfer it over. Now get all flat.
That ain't so bad. Took it.
This one too.
No, yeah, face down's no good, right?
We'll do another picture.
Yeah, I took that one.
One more.
It's not flat, but
Let's try this way.
it's not gonna work. Look at you, extra change. Now what?
Good. We're gonna add Dr. Pepper. Let's see if we can add that. Alright, this thing.
Alright, you good?
Okay, so we're shaking it up. Make sure it's a good spill. So you just drop it.
In case you drop it? Alright.
Alright. Islip, I'm gonna step. Make sure it's alright, now I think it should be good.
We're good?
There's no
You got your money? You got your drinks? We'll go?
Set. We're set to go.
Alright.